So you get your cartridges out of your filter bullet, and then this is what they look like. This has been about 6 months. See a bunch of thick crap on there, and they're all dark brown. And then just spray them down with a hose, and they're all gonna look like that. It ends up looking like new, and it's just literally from high pressure hose and nothing more. I don't dip them. These are 3 years old now, and I tend to keep them until these bands fall apart, because these are glued, and then after a few years they'll start to fall apart, and then the pleats will start to pop open, and then you'll see more gaps like this, and then they're no good at that point, and then I'll buy new ones. So I'm just using an Orbit sprayer head on jet. It seems to have a lot of pressure, and that's all I ever use to spray them out. This stuff I use on O-rings. You can get it on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. It's a PTFE based lube for any kind of rubber O-ring. Works great, made in the USA. Good stuff. So we got our cartridges cleaned and sprayed off, put back into the filter unit, and the pressure released from this valve at the top. Get all the air out of there. We got the pumps running and everything primed, and looks like it's good to go for another season. Hey, I hope this helped you. And if you would, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe, and it'll help other people find the video as well. Have a great day.